Hello everyone. So I got a comment on the reel in which I showed the weather clock project. The viewer wants me to make a dedicated video on how I made it. So let's get started. Our display is a Nextion HMI display, so we need to make its UI using the Nextion editor only. That's the only option available for now. Usually the UI is made using the tools available here on the left. But if you have ever tried it, you might know that it's very difficult to make such a UI I made using the Nextion editor only. So I am going to use Canva for the looks. What I did is I made the whole design in Canva like this, which we will call the screen background. And for the conditions icon, I used Canva again to make the logos with background same as our screen background. And the most important thing is to set the size of our background and logos so that they fit the screen perfectly. This is our project in Nextion editor. You can see there is our background directly set as an image and all the other objects are placed on it. Here on the bottom left, you can clearly see the graphics I have used in this project. So I use the ESP32 to change the picture ID of this image object, so it changes the image according to the condition. Now let's jump to our code which makes this UI work. I have programmed my ESP32 on the Arduino IDE, as you can see here. I have built the send to Nextion function to make it easy for me to send the commands. For the weather, I have used the weather API and have built a function to utilize the values I get using the API key. For time, date and day, I am using the commonly used NTP server method to fetch time data. If you find this hard to make completely yourself, I have also uploaded the source code and the Nextion HMI file on the AhirTech project's website. The link is provided in the description. You can find the images, details and source code regarding this project. I upload all my projects on this website, so you can also find other project source code as well. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it.